Está bien.
Mi trabajo es en estudiante. Este es mi profesor.
Oh, muy bien.
Sí,
Sí, muy bien.
pero, okay. Este día tú ayúdame a lavar un platos,
Sí,
cortar las verduras,
sí,
¿sí? Y pone los platos ahí.
muy bien.
Muy bien, claro. Empezamos.
Sí,
Can you tell him that we're only working?
¿Entendió qué vamos a hacer hoy?
sí.
Ok, ¿qué vamos a hacer?
Sí, pues a lavar los platos, acomodarlos y cortar verduras.
Yay!
So he understood you. All right. We're only working from his goals.
Yeah.
So,
We
okay.
kind of told you.
Okay.
Yes. But it was, I don't know if Robin told you.
She gave us a lot of information.
Because his daughter does everything.
Right.
Everything.
But that he still does want to learn some things.
But I think he needs to
¿Tienes un niño?
negotiate that with the daughter.
¿Tienes un
because-
niña?
No,
Maybe we can teach
No?
the skills and then
Niño?
it's gonna be up to him.
no.
Can we
No?
figure this out?
Yes.
Okay. What do I have to say? Can I feel your hand?
Puede mover la mano para, ella va a mover, ¿ok? Para sentir un poquito. Solamente relaje, por favor.
Does he ever get tight?
Se queda como duro para mover a veces.
No. Bueno, sí, a ver, sí. A ver cuando se me empiezan, a ver cuando se me ponen duras.
¿Cuándo?
Por ejemplo, cuando me salgo a caminar,
When he's walking sometimes.
Doing it.
Sí.
So like, yes.
cuando me salgo a caminar.
Yeah. Okay. And at night?
A la noche.
En el día. En la noche no.
Okay.
O sea que en el día cuando me salgo a caminar, pues lo regular yo siempre me salgo a caminar como 10:30 de la mañana a 1 o 2 de la tarde por ahí.
It says when he starts walking, it's like 10:30 in the morning until 2:30 when he walks to the mouse and like this.
Okay.
But not at night.
Did this happen before?
Yes,
Okay.
that's when he was little.
Ah, see, he's got very much dislocated DIP here.
And he also has.
Yeah, where he cut. I saw Robin ask him that yesterday. Where you cut, yeah, his thumb. Yeah. Okay. So, can she feel your hand too?
¿Ella puede sentir su mano?
Sí.
I don't feel any tightness though.
Okay.
Not when.
It
So,
can be tight,
yeah.
especially for supination.
Okay. But she really has to get the neutral to do his job. But it would be nice to get one.
And he has children. I probably should not say that on this.
No, it's okay. I appreciate that. What did you call pain again?
Dolor.
Dolor. And donde dolor? Where? Where? is
¿A
the pain?
dónde duele? ¿O dónde duele?
Donde duele.
Cuando, pues por aquí nada. O sea, nada más es aquí.
¿Aquí?
Y un poquito nada más de aquí,
¿Un
pero
poquito
es,
aquí?
sí, es poco, pero un dolor tenso. Tenso.
Tense.
Ya.
Bueno.
Okay, so just anterior deltoid.
Yeah, it's more when.
Aquí a veces como que se me entiesa. Se me entiesa para levantarlo. Pero no duele.
¿No duele?
No duele, o sea, más es tieso, tieso.
Did you?
¿Duele aquí?
No duele.
No aquí.
No duele.
No duele.
I was thinking about trying to kinesiate.
¿Cómo se dice? ¿Cómo se dice? Dice fingers.
Dedos.
¿Duele?
No.
¿Dolor?
No duele, no. Nada más es tieso.
Oh, okay, it's a
Sí,
bit tight.
nada.
Okay. They don't hurt.
I mean, he's a talker.
Yeah.
¡Hablas muy rápido!
Okay, so go ahead and start, and then I'm gonna
Okay.
watch this arm.
Okay.
If you want to assist, I'll do the camera.
Nosotros lavar los platos ahí.
Yo también.
Sí. Come here. Bueno.
So Lumi says they worked a lot on scapular strength. And he still has some difficulties, so she agreed to kinesiate, that we can get kinesiotaped.
Okay.
Whatever you guys.
But I want to watch for a little bit, and then we'll
Okay.
kinesiotape, okay?
Okay. ¿Cómo se dice?
Fibra.
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 Oh.
Fibra verde.
¿Verde? Ah, green. Bueno.
I know that
okay. Aquí, este mano. Bueno. ¿Cómo se dice?
Jabón.
¿Hablo?
Jabón.
Hablo.
Oh, I think it's speaking soap. Soap.
So, yes. Bueno.
Allison, try to get him to reach with the right. Okay, not the left. Turn the water back off and see if he'll do it with the right.
Uno más. Este.
See if you can get everything with the right.
Este mano. Este mano. No mano. Derecha. Derecha. Derecha solo.
Okay.
Solo derecha. Bueno. 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 Necesito.
Tiesa. Tieso.
¿Y eso?
Tiesa. Duro. No sé cómo se dice.
¿Cómo se llama? Your
hand getting tight? It's getting tight. Okay, then you could stop and he could stretch.
Okay.
He's tight.
Un momento. Este mano.
So it doesn't have some other grass.
That triggers the...
So sometimes it gets tight, but then he cannot control, so everything falls.
Okay, so that's a real safety issue on the camera too. Okay, well, we'll see if we can do some sustained grasp, but not getting too tight.
Dedos. Dedos.
Dedo.
Bueno.
We'll see what we can do.
But if he can get something.
¿Duele?
Yeah.
¿Dolor? No.
No.
Bueno.
Well, you know, we're gonna do everything by manual, and I brought a box, and she's trained. We're gonna see if he can do some carrying. And I wasn't, he doesn't look tight when you see him, so I wasn't sure. I told him how much stretching he'd need.
And we did
Bien.
a lot of home
Bien.
work.
Empieza.
Yeah.
¿Empiezas? Bien. Empieza.
Empezar otra vez.
Okay. Este
Allison,
mano.
has it, like, I mean, is it softer now, or is it still tight?
It's still pretty tight, but it's better.
You may need to go to a lower surface and weight bear through the kitchen table.
Okay. That's the kitchen table.
But see what happens. I'm glad he has the insight that he's tight.
Yeah.
That's big right there.
Este mano.
Yeah.
Este mano. Este mano.
Tara?
Derecha.
Here, you want to look to see, is he weight bearing on both? On lower extremities, because if he's not weight bearing on the right, he's not going to be engaging that scapula on the right. Okay. So does he look symmetrical to you?
Not at this foot out.
So you got to get Allison to cue him. These are the things you got to start watching,
Tito
okay?
Rodriguez.
Should I like stand back a little bit? Because
He could do that, but just he also has to lean over on the right.
Yeah.
And I don't know if Allison's in the way, I don't know. But you're over there. You could just cue the hip over if you want. Shift, okay. Then,
yeah, his foot's out, so you want to move it kind of
So-
it's more stable. You can just
Este.
move it.
How do you say feet?
Yeah.
Can you straighten it like? Yeah, turn it.
Goose.
Turn it.
Hacer esto.
Let me move your. Can you go in any further? Can you push in? There we go.
Bueno. Muy bueno.
he can get him, he can put his legs apart more. Because that's what you want.
Well, yeah,
No one-
but I don't think he can really. He can't really internal rotate.
But that's okay, as long as he's a little bit straight. I just want his weight over on the right too. So he's adjusted now. How does his weight look?
It looks better now. 'Cause there's.
I'm okay that his toes are out a little. That's probably
Yeah.
natural for him, but I want him weight bearing on both, okay?
Okay.
Because we got to get that pelvis
Okay.
active too to help the scapulas, okay?
Bueno. I'm gonna take a break and we'll stretch him out.
Yeah, and why don't you try on the table over here?
Un momento. Aquí. Por favor.
Try your hand.
How do you say stop and stretch?
Vamos a relajar.
Can you say it again louder?
Vamos a relajar un poquito acá, ¿ok? Hacer ejercicio de alongamiento,
Ok.
¿ok? ¿Cómo fue?
Pues me da trabajo con esta mano.
Por eso tenemos que hacer. Va a hacer ejercicio ahí, mira la Alisa.
Standing up. Yeah.
Hacer esto.
Ok.
Haces esto. Bueno. Eso.
Yeah, make sure that he's actually getting some weight in here. You may want to come
On
over
this
here,
side?
Terry. Yeah. If you just put your hand right there like that, he'll get some weight. No, behind the elbow.
Okay.
And you don't have to push too hard. You're just
Yeah.
keeping it aligned, okay?
Yeah.
You feel some weight going
How do you
through
say
it?
relax?
Relaje. por favor.
Relaje.
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 Relax, relajado.
As you go over this time, I'll shoot as he walks over. See if he can carry that.
Okay, just as a tray.
Yeah. Lumi says that he has trouble sustaining grasp. At times, lets go,
Okay.
and he doesn't want to let go. I don't know how you say that, Lumi.
Yeah.
Que se queda tieso. Tieso.
Tieso? So tieso. So that's something we got to practice.
Ok.
How do you say practice?
Plática.
Practica? Ioso? Okay. So as you're going over there, then we'll practice holding it and see.
Okay, and then have practice releasing since
Yeah.
you're there.
Yeah, and then we'll add weight to it,
Okay.
we'll do, okay? So every time he's walking, we probably should be practicing carrying something.
Okay.
Okay?
¿Cómo se dice?
Algo como charolas. Charolas.
Charolas.
Charolas.
Charolas. Bien.
Boy, Trey's a lot easier.
Más palabras.
Palabras, sí.
Okay. I don't know how to say carry.
Maybe just kind of shouting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tú. Bueno.
Want me to keep that arm down too? Bueno. Yeah.
Yeah. Bueno.
Oh, remember, carry him in line too. So Tara, another thing for you to keep
Bueno, yeah,
watching,
bueno.
okay?
Okay. Está aquí con. Olvides.
La charola.
Azarola.
La charola.
Azarola. Bien. 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 Lavarse esto. Bien. Lavarse. Lavarte.
Lavar. Lavar.
Lavarte. Lavarte.
Allison, let him move the tray over with the left, the right next time, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, him get it out of the way. He's got to do the work,
Okay.
okay? You're doing great. Keep breathing.
Bien. Este mano.
Sí.
Bien.
Do you think the table was better than the counter?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
And I think he was actually understood, like, I need to weight bear
Okay.
over here.
Yeah.
So then we just need to pull
Move it
over
back up.
here.
Yes,
Yeah,
we need to
okay?
go right to there.
Yeah. So whenever you notice it getting tight,
Okay.
okay?
He needs a little bit more weight bearing on this side. So he can just put more of his weight on this foot.
You guys could.
Just moving.
Bien!
Okay. Just get used to just putting
Just
your
get
hands
used
on
to
it.
it,
He
okay.
also, boy, he likes to retract here, you feel that? And I'm just moving that pelvis forward. There you go, see? Okay?
Okay.
So, yeah, just get on your hands on him, Tara. He's gonna be used to that. He's,
He's used to it.
right. How many studies has he been with you? Just one?
Just one, but it was a long study.
That's the 6-week one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After 6 hours.
Oh my, wow. And the same thing with you, Allison. If you need him to do something with your hand, put his hand on him to get,
Okay.
okay? So, and if he reaches with the left, you can put your hand there and hold it back,
Okay.
and- okay?
Okay. Agua? Yes.
How do you say right?
Bueno. Derecha?
Derecha? Yeah,
Right.
Derecha,
Yeah.
derecha.
yeah. De leche?
Derecho.
De leche, okay,
Derecha mano.
okay.
Bien. Solo derecha mano.
Mano derecha.
Mano derecha.
And
Ah, bien. Mano derecha.
Are you getting the protraction and retraction you want to? It's kind of hard to tell, he's not doing a lot of it.
Yeah.
Este mano. Este mano. Este mano. Bien, bien. Este mano.
Tara, he's back to the left. So get those hands on the pelvis and shift them
Este
over.
mano. Pone
Yeah,
aquí.
yeah.
Ahí.
Is his scapula a little bit retracted
Bueno.
on the?
It's gonna be if the hips retracted.
Yeah.
Whatever that pelvis is doing, the scapula is doing too.
What now? Hold on.
Oh, he could tear that. It's okay, Ellison, you're learning. This is exactly what has to happen.
Ahí, por favor.
But get him to reach for it
Okay.
with the right.
the right
The
hand,
leche.
Derecha. Mano. Aquí.
Oh,
And watch, yes.
Bueno.
Oh, I like even that little bit of rotation, the slightest bit.
Puedes sacar. No. Yes.
Yeah, let him tear it, okay, with both hands. There you go.
Yes. Bueno. Bueno, señor. Bueno.
He's gonna be very fast, guys, with using the left. So you gotta be faster,
Like,
cue in the right.
Bueno. Bueno.
Okay, wait, he could throw it away with the right. It's over here, though.
where's that? Oh.
Este mano.
oh.
Ah, bueno. Ah. Caminar ahí. Caminas ahí. Por favor. Gracias, señor.
Sí.
And Allison,
Nada.
next time you take him a step, don't let him go so close to the trash. So
Okay.
he's gotta
Okay,
reach
so he's gotta
farther, and yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You're constantly grading, okay?
Okay.
And Tara's learning.
I know.
Caminar ahí, por favor.
Sí.
Oh, and it's better if we get him standing
Standing.
and working, because then we can work on that pelvis.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll pump it up, and Tara's ready for that. She knows how to do that.
No siga. No siga. No siga.
De pie,
Ah,
de
no,
pie.
sí.
No siga. No siento, señor.
The trunk is most active in standing, so you always try to work in standing if you
Okay.
can, unless they
Do you want
fatigue.
like right around here or a little bit more?
Yeah, I think that's probably okay. Yeah.
Las perderas.
Oh,
He likes to walk a lot, so he
Okay.
will not fatigue probably much on you.
Okay.
How do you say tired?
¿Te gusta? Bueno.
Cansado.
Cansado?
¿Te gusta?
No.
No.
Don't
you like this?
Yeah.
el brócoli. Sí.
Broccoli. Oh, I didn't bring it.
Ah,
I'm
no,
sorry.
este es perejil. Perejil.
¿Te gusta?
Oh,
Right
No.
hand.
He doesn't like anything I brought.
Right
Yeah,
hand.
yeah,
Oh.
right hand.
Derecha.
Let's come up.
Señor, derecha.
Put everything on that.
Yeah.
No, I want him to reach to the left with the
Okay.
right.
You
Okay,
can
so
go over.
perfect, Tara. Yeah, let him.
I was thinking about putting it over here.
Okay.
You could vary him,
momento.
but really this is nice, and also
Yeah.
all the way up here is nice to wait going through that. Whoops.
Este mano. Allí.
Where's your? Do you want to get her cutting board?
Bueno,
It's over there on the
bueno.
chair.
Bueno. Bueno, señor. Bueno. Derecha mano, allí, por favor. Bueno. Bueno. Este, ¿va a durar? ¿Cortar?
con la derecha.
Ya, bueno.
Con la derecha.
¿Cuchilla?
Bien.
Cuchilla.
Sí, cuchilla.
There we go.
Bueno. Un momento, señor.
I know, but if you would
Bueno.
that'd be excellent.
Well, yeah. Tara, will you stay over here just to make sure
Yeah.
Yeah.
that he's like not gonna
Okay, so
cut
you,
himself?
Tara, cue him.
On.
On the shoulder.
Well, how can we tell him not?
Hernández.
Un momento, señor.
No le
I wanna
tanto
go.
su hombro.
We wouldn't go down and second.
No así,
Yeah.
no le ve tanto el hombro.
Can he push into my hand?
Puede empujar la mano de la profesora para
Sí.
atrás, para atrás, para atrás, para atrás.
Back here. okay?
Ah, sí.
Now,
Para
now
atrás.
moving your arm, you're just back here,
Like,
okay? No mano,
push that.
Para atrás.
just here.
¿Comprende?
And then hold, that's it. That's it.
Sí, firme ahí, firme. Segura,
Yeah.
segura.
Sí,
Ahí,
sí, sí.
Ahí, ahí, ahí.
Okay,
No, sin mover, así.
Ah.
Ahí, ahí.
now he can cut, but he's gotta
Okay.
hold there.
While he cuts.
Yeah.
Ya. Es que me cuesta trabajo, como nunca he cortado con la derecha.
Pero
You can't cut with the
antes-
right.
antes-
Lo siento.
Antes del derrame, antes del derrame con la
In order
derecha,
to
¿no?
go down.
Con la
Antes.
izquierda.
Con la izquierda,
Sí.
siempre. ¿Siempre?
Siempre, como siempre utilizo los cuchillos o tijera con la derecha, con la izquierda.
So he's
He
saying
always
that
uses it with his
he-
left. Okay.
Even before the stroke.
So we can go ahead and...
He cut with his left before the stroke? Oh, okay, then we can
Okay.
do
Lo
that.
siento, señor. Un momento.
Un momento, but
So just,
we can
Cuchilla
still work on this shoulder.
izquierda.
he can stabilize with this.
Can you tell him to push again too?
Para empurrar de nuevo la mano de la profesora para atrás, el hombro, para atrás. Así.
No, not really.
Más un poquito, un poco, para atrás el hombro, el hombro.
Should we demonstrate it, like we do it on me or something?
It's a feel that I'm
It is,
not
yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's why we may just have to Kinesio tape so he gets his
Bueno.
muscles stronger and then
Okay.
see.
Esta mano.
But when he's not cutting, he
Pone
does look better.
Okay.
Bueno.
But yeah, have him.
Bueno, aquí. Lo siento, derecho solo. Derecho solo. Bueno. Bueno.
You didn't make him a splint either, did you?
I don't think so.
Bueno.
Yeah.
He has weak,
Because he had more before.
oh. Sorry, I'm just seeing if I,
Even the
Un momento, señor.
no, he can do it.
Okay,
I'm seeing if
okay.
I give him some MCP extension or some flexion, how he grasps.
Pesas,
But you
por
may have
favor.
to do this.
Okay.
Then that looks
So
better, you
you
see
have
that?
to pinch your grass right now.
Yeah, but how, that's okay, we'll take that. But now,
Bueno.
Doesn't he want to work on his
we do,
index, maybe?
Bueno.
well, let's get him to this
Yeah.
one, the lateral grasp that's
Este verdad, por
consistent.
favor.
Está bien.
But yes, we need to move towards a pincer grasp.
Oh, lo siento.
Leche.
Derecho menos. Solo. Bien.
It's hard to keep up with everything,
Yeah.
Allison, very hard.
Cuchilla. Cuchillo.
Ah, cuchillo.
Sí.
He's gonna try cutting with the right. There he goes.
Bueno.
He's also not doing this motion.
Yeah.
Allison, you could tell him like
Okay.
this. He's pushing it down,
Yeah.
cutting.
Do you mean put my hand right here?
Hacer
Maybe
esto.
that'll cue him.
Oh, ya.
Bueno. Bueno.
There goes
Bueno.
that. Maybe we'll just stop and tape him and see what happens, okay?
Okay. Let me stop the tape since we kind of.
Yeah, just a second, I'll get it.
Okay.
Or if you're gonna get it, great.
Bueno.